Well, Fox 46 is getting results for you and helping you spring clean you this week. And it's the perfect time now to go through your beauty products because your routine could actually be doing you more harm than good. Beauty expert Bryce Carey is here to show us what to toss and what to keep. And my question for you, Bryce, you were just answering part of this, is why do we need to do it in the first place? Tossing or keeping, but also just cleaning the stuff that we do have.
Well, you think about it, you're putting things on your face. You know, and your face is the most visible part of your body for the most part. So you want to make sure it looks the best. But those products, you know, your products you have can get old. It's like anything perishable. Anything you know have has an expiration date on it. So making sure you put something that's good on your skin. If you're not, it can cause bacteria, things like that. Also, the brushes and tools, and we'll get into that too, and how those can not make your face look so clean.
Yes, build up. I did. Right. I broke out a couple months ago, and I washed my makeup brushes and thought, oh, maybe that was
How'd
actually
that water look?
Yeah, not the color, and it comes off and off, and it continues. You realize how much is stuck in there, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I wanted to show. I've got a graphic here to show that a lot of people don't realize on products when you get something that is a cosmetic brand. And for example, like you can hold that one up and show it. There's an image there. There's a little jar on each cosmetic and each beauty product that literally is a jar with a number, and it'll show that number means months, how many months that is good after it's open. So in that one, I believe it's showing a 12 or a 24 month expiration on that one. So and they're showing now some of the things, different products. But you want to look at that, and then remember that when you open it. If you're using a mascara right now that you got at Christmas time, it's time to toss it. It may still be good as far as you may think it is, but think about, like with mascara, where do creepy crawly things live? In dark, moist places.
Oh, yeah.
And that's exactly what a tube of mascara looks like. It's it's very dark and dank in there. So we'll look at that too, and for example, that's. Just think all the times you do that.
I was going to say with mascara, you can tell, right? Because it gets kind of. Oh gosh, look at that. That's just crusty and
Yeah. So we're going to toss that.
All right, so we'll toss that. Hit me. Here, I'll see if I can hit it. There we go. Basketball, baby. All right.
Powder products are going to last a little bit longer. They say 2 years on a powder product. That one's actually a little bit longer. You can tell it's faded out. Look at that. You can tell it's not a bright pink anymore.
The actual color. So toss it. Ready? Here we go. Oh, dang it, bank shot, man, I missed it. It's okay, don't worry about it.
Sometimes creams and lotions are usually an 18 to 24 month thing.
Okay.
Sometimes when you smell them, this one is starting to smell a little bit not like it's supposed to. So if it doesn't smell right.
Sorry, I just squirted it out. I'll let you, there you go, you're closer. I got the assist for that one.
So, and then finally, tools. These little things here are great. They're wonderful, and it matches my jacket.
Yeah.
They're wonderful for putting on your makeup, and you have to wet them to use them. But what you don't see is on the inside of that is where it's holding all that back. So just like a kitchen sponge, how they get nasty. So you need to clean these regularly. I say after 6 to 8 months.
You can use one of those sponges, though, for even that long?
If you will clean it, and a good way to clean it, I mean, they sell the cleaners for them, but another great way is like antibacterial soap or dish detergent, and just really, you have to really work it to get all the suds out of it, after you clean it. But doing that will, the longevity of that will last. Same with your brushes. You need to clean those. I mean, those can last forever if they're natural hair brushes, and you take care of them. But the buildup on that, when you're using something dirty that's you've used and not clean, you're just putting bacteria back in your face. And that's what causes infections. Same with eye infections when you're using those mascaras and those. There's even, mites and things can live in those.
Oh,
isn't that gross?
Scary, so gross. You know what? If that doesn't make you want to, I don't. Just take his word for it. Thank you for coming on.
Absolutely.
Take a quick break, guys. We will be back with more Good Day right after this.